Do that if you want to waste your time, energy, and don't make money online. So if you want to actually go through wide category, broad category, or broad niche, and wondering what content ideas to build your authority in your blog or your YouTube channel and so on, and struggling to find what thumbnails and titles that grab the scrolling eyes. So for sure, this result is zero, and for sure, the result only is burnout. So instead of that, you've got to actually go to more clarity here. So you've got to go to 4 sub niches to actually be found and visible among different big names and the big companies in the world of business. So here you've got to actually find an angle to just focus and build your authority. Then you can get your target audience who are interested in your content and your affiliate products, your digital products you are promoting, and so on. So here you actually want a strategy to find this angle for a specific niche, and the best way here to get your content ideas that align and matching well and properly with this angle and your target audience, and for sure your thumbnails. And for sure this work is not hard but smart. And so that I just use my own tool, the Ask to Income. It helps you to find the demand signals and the revenue potential, and for sure the full monetization strategy that you can walk through to make your business and make money online like a breeze. Now today tool, Ask to Income. This one, so first land on this website, incomesify.com, where turn what you know into what you earn. Then you can go to this, go to Ask to Income button. Then you will be taken to this amazing tool, Ask to Income, turn question into income. So here, first of all, just as I said earlier here, you've got to actually go and niche down the big niche. So here you can find the big library or database of the most pressing questions that people are asking daily on Google in about 70 hot and trending niches. So for example, I can get this one, select your niche. Then you can go through all these niches, and for sure it's updated regularly. So you can find some niches like autism, leadership, meditation, survival hacks, weight loss, cryptocurrency, digital marketing, golf, and much more. Then you can select something like ADHD, okay, and here you can find the best trending topics around this niche. So you can open this drop down menu, and here you can find the most trending topics. So if you just select one like this, then you can find the most pressing questions about this specific topic. So here you can go to these angles especially to build your authority regarding this big niche. So here you can go more specific for this one, the best organization tool for ADHD. Then you can build your own content here around these angles as you see. Okay, that's it. So you can select one of these questions as you want to build your own content strategy and so on. And here I'm about to show you a golden trick here on this amazing tool, Ask to Income. Here, if you just go through all these drop down menus from niche, then you can find the trending topic. Then you can find the best and the most pressing questions here. Then if you want to find this field that says add your own question or your idea, here you can get your own question that you can get from Google, Quora, any social media, or even from your imagination. Here, if you answered this question here in this field, here you can build something that says cross niching between the one of these questions or this angle and your own question. So for example, if you here answer something like how to fix parenting, how to fix bad parenting. So here you can actually go across niche that combines both big angles and profitable angles, ADHD and bad parenting, okay? So if you want to actually go through across niche, but for sure if you want to actually don't want to go through the database here, so simply you can refresh your own page, okay, and select the blade clean. Then here you can go directly to this field to add your own question or your idea. And for sure, you can find this field open for the upgrade plans. So if you want something like this one, how to fix bad parenting, then you can click a button. Okay, then go to this amazing golden button, generate your report, where you can find monetization models, estimate earnings, and score competition. So you can go to generate your report. Like this one, you would be amazed. The income opportunity report, the money snapshot. Here you can find estimated monthly revenue potential. The gap is created by the difference in audience size here. Difficulty score 7 out of 10. Perfect. And here, time to income estimate 3 to 6 months. The best monetization method here to the topic or the angle of the how to fix bad parenting is online course. Okay. Here you can find the real demand analysis or the real demand signals. Here you can find the trend rising. Perfect. Geographic or the most best countries to sell your own online courses, your affiliate products, your digital products, all in all. Like here you can find related questions by search intent. It's awesome gold mine here using ask to income. What are the signs of bad parenting? How to improve parenting skills? What resources help fix bad parenting? All of these content ideas to build your authority around this specific angle in this specific niche. Here you can find this informational or transactional here. Okay, that for sure promoting your products. Where to find parenting courses, the best books for bad parenting solutions, affordable parenting coach services, and so on. Or comparison likewise here, parenting courses versus books and so on. Rising queries, here you can find the low competition, growing demand. It's the best one to build your authority in. Like mindful branding techniques, parenting workshops online, co-parenting strategies after divorce. Perfect one, by the way. And you can find the top 3 monetization model here, online courses, coaching service, affiliate marketing here, and for sure digital product selling and so on. Earnings per dive, the beginner, optimized, key revenue, competition gaps here, the competition level medium, for sure, of course, I just go through my own input, how to fix bad parenting, okay? And here you can find the recommended starting point here, launch this first online courses, first 3 actions to validate demand, and the 3-day quick win prediction. Then you can find here after this amazing report, this content growth asset pack. As I said earlier here, if you are struggling to find content ideas, here you can get your own content ideas here ready for you to implement directly. But what about the promotional assets or promotional tools to promote my content or to write my content here around this topic and this specific niche? Here you can find the content creation. Here you can find an amazing blog articles, blog posts optimized for SEO and AI search engines, video script, social thread, LinkedIn post, for sure regarding this content and this question in particular. 10 slide carousel to make your own carousel on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and so on. Podcast outline, growth distribution, SEO cluster plan, Pinterest pins, TikTok hooks, and YouTube titles here. Productization like mini course outline, ebook structure, Notion, SaaS idea, and digital funnel. And here you can find in these, for example, YouTube titles. Here you can get your titles and your own thumbnail, the thumbnail that matching magically with this YouTube title. And likewise here, the same way on Pinterest pins. The call to action, the overlay text, the title of this Pinterest pin, and for sure the thumbnail or the Pinterest pin itself. So for example, if I can click over this one, YouTube titles here, just in a few seconds here for sure, you can actually download any report you have generated here as a PDF. So I can go to this one, YouTube titles here, and it would be like this amazing one. As you see YouTube titles here, Here you can find a bunch of these beautiful titles around YouTube, titles of your own YouTube videos around this specific topic and this question, like fix bad parenting in 5 simple steps. And you can find the thumbnail concept here that for sure convey your message beautifully, like text placement here in your thumbnail, the contrast, some psychological triggers, especially for the target audience, and so on. Thumbnail concept apparent with a confused expression, and so on and so on, and the TTR poster here, and much more. So here, image your prompt, parenting looking confused, bright lighting, and so on. So here, the magic here comes using ask to income. Here, just if you were struggling, how you can get your prompt, especially for this title, and how you can matching the title and the thumbnail together. So here, the magic here on ask to income. Simply, you can get this whole one. Okay, that's it. Okay, this section regarding this, the title number 1. Copy, and now head over to any actually AI image generator. For sure, I can name it the Gemini. Then insert here your prompt. Okay, create image, then go. And just in a few seconds here, you can find this awesome thumbnail. The title here, fix bad parenting in 5 simple steps. And here you can find this awesome YouTube thumbnail ready for you. 5 steps, perfect, matching perfectly with this title. And of course, if you want to try something else regarding this YouTube titles, so I can take something like this. Okay, how to turn bad parenting into great parenting. So I can the same way take the whole part here, head over to Gemini like this, and you would find this amazing result as you see. How to turn bad parenting into great parenting. Perfect way, match perfectly with your own title. Okay, perfect. So that's the way regarding YouTube. So for sure, Riemann, if I want to promote my own content here on Pinterest, okay, so let's try Pinterest. So I can go back to this one and go to Pinterest pins. Click over this one. Here you can find amazing plethora of these Pinterest pins. You would be mind blowing. Like this. Okay, like transform bin 1. Transform bad parenting 5 effective strategies to connect with your kids. Description here, perfect. Don't have to waste your time. Search for the best description for this title. And text overlay, okay, and for sure the Pinterest pin image. So how Riemann we can create our Pinterest pin to save our time and energy. Here it comes the role of ask to income. Here you can take this whole part as we did before. Okay, and copy and head over to Gemini.google. Then you can find as you see 5 strategies for better parenting. Perfect, isn't it? Amazing Pinterest pin with the beautiful dimension for Pinterest. Perfect. Okay, that's it. So here you just to save your time and your energy and walk through a clear pathway to build your authority and your content for a specific target audience. Therefore, you can actually direct your products, your promotion effectively to make money online for sure by using Ask to Income. So you can find the link of Ask to Income ready for you and waiting for you right now down below in the first comment and description box. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.